We gotta
I
get
don't
to
want
my
to
office
die!
quick.
Ah!
Maintenance team in command and communication center, please report to antenna 3B for immediate repair.
Barney, you in here?
Kleiner, is that you? Come into my office. Kleiner, what is it? I thought you were going to be working on that anti-mass spectrometer thingy today.
Well, I decided to come anyways.
For what?
Remember that favor I did for you a couple nights ago?
Was it when I sent you into the head crab-infested office to grab my laptop?
Yes. Well, I guess I decided I should ask a favor of you now.
Sure, I don't have that much work to do. My blue shift doesn't start until the evening.
To be perfectly honest, I'm strapped on cash right now. I poured most of it into the disaster that was the Zen Crystal Relay Race. Complete failure. Anyways, I decided to search the interweb, and I found out one of the good ways to make money is to, well, sell meth.
Wait, hold your horses. You said meth, right? Dr. Kleiner, what are you thinking? That's illegal. Look, if you try that, you'll get fired faster than I can say Black Mesa.
I also heard uranium is a good sell.
Okay. I guess I could help, but I'm not promising anything.
I swear I saw some boxes on my way to your office.
I think I know what you're talking about. Some guy just decided to take 3 uranium boxes and leave them by the entrance, completely unprotected. Honestly, I don't even know what happened there.
Okay, let's get going then.
Pretty sure this is it.
Ah, okay. Make sure the hallways are empty and then grab a container and help me.
The coast is clear. I don't see anyone. Hold on. What about those security cameras?
They're shut off for maintenance.
Look, I don't know if this'll work. If someone catches us, we're screwed.
Don't worry. If we get to the cafeteria fast enough, no one will notice.
There's 75 people working on this floor right now. I'm positive someone will see us. And my buddy Otis is on shift in this area. I don't even know where he is. He might turn a corner. Hey, Barney!
Shit.
Hey, Calhoun. How's it going? I was walking by your office and just wanted to check on you guys. Hold on. What are those uranium boxes doing next to you? Mind telling me what you're doing with those?
Oh. We were transporting them to the high-security storage facility.
You sure about that? Who said you had to do that? Oh, the administrator. I guess that means I'm paying the administrator a visit. You know, just to make sure. See you later.
You absolute imbecile. Do you know what you just did? You just blew our cover, and now we'll definitely be fired.
Hey, don't rope me into this. First of all, the administrator's office is at least a 25-minute tram ride, and it's another 25 the whole way back. Hell, I'm 90% sure he doesn't even have the clearance. By the time he gets back, we'll be done. I'll bet $10 on it.
Okay, but I hope your math checks out. I feel like this fire door's always been down.
They close the cafeteria after breakfast, but we can still get in by jumping down the railing.
Watch it with that. One false move, the whole sector goes up in flames. Do people just forget to throw away their food in this place?
You tell me. First of all, we need to get these bad boys open.
Wait, I thought you've had experience with this type of container.
Hell no! Who do you think I am, Mr. HEV suit?
Oh, well then, start checking for a latch.
Hey, pretty sure I found it. On the left side, above the warning text that says, "Do not open."
I think I found it too.
Shit. Is uranium supposed to look this green? And it smells in here. It smells like pure radiation.
It'll smell even more like radiation once we dump this in the pot.
Let me turn this one on real quick.
Now, Barney, I read a tutorial online. A tutorial for this process. Apparently, you want to start with a slow pour. No 3 grams at first. Then slowly pour in more until you get to halfway full. Then stop and start mixing with a spoon.
Okay, hold on. What even is this? Recipe. And uranium dissolves metal, right? The spoon?
I think it'll be okay.
Okay, 3 grams. Fuck, my hand slipped.
Barney, get back from the stove! You idiot. You practically pulled the whole thing in. Look, I'll fix up this one, hopefully. You can just take mine.
Hold on. I told you my hand slipped. I'm not that good at this type of work anyway. I'm not a man of science. You know I should probably be back at my office. Just be lucky that I'm even helping you.
Okay, whatever. Now go away and start stirring.
So how are you going to sell this stuff anyways? On the internet or what? If you sell it inside the facility, someone's going to snitch on you. After that, your career's over.
I'll find someone.
And what if it spills? You can say goodbye to the flooring. More code violations than you can count.
Would you stop worrying already?
All right, fine. This pot's starting to look greener. How's your cooking going?
You absolutely screwed it up. 2 spoons have melted into the pot already, and yours looks fine.
I knew spoons wouldn't work. As a matter of fact, all this stirring has worked up an appetite. Let me look in the storage room. I'll be back in a second.
Uranium detected in Sector D. Ventilation. Security team, please check.
That doesn't sound good.
Oh man, that was delicious. Have you tried the new beef platter?
Barney! Something bad's about to happen. Did you hear the Vox announcement?
What announcement?
They've detected the smoke in the ventilation shafts. It's only a matter of time before a security guard checks it out.
Oh shit. I guess we have to stop here. What do we stuff it into? The uranium containers we brought?
No, they'll figure it out. Pour the uranium into the cardboard boxes in the storage room.
What do you want about? They'll melt the box in 2 seconds. You know what? Why did I even agree to this? You've proven yourself mental. This whole time we could have been doing something, but now you've cost me my job. That's it. I'm done.
First,
Oh,
the
I'm gonna
containment
want to
breach.
know what happens
Now this. What's next?
This is probably
Look,
the most exciting moment
even
in
the
my
security
career.
guard is down there.
I knew I
This
shouldn't
is
have left
gonna
those
be
containers out in the
awful. I
open.
just know it.
Oh, God, here we go.
Finally, people, I'm turning myself in.
I know that
Hey,
security
hey,
guard down
what's going
there
on over here?
from Sector C.
See, this
Look,
is
here
why
he
we
comes
don't
now.
leave uranium out.
Personally,
I think something
I don't
bad's
even
gonna
know.
happen.
Hey,
Remember
buddy,
that one time
I
you
checked
got
with
to
the
look
administrator,
and he told me
This
you
reminds
can't
me of
actually
that.
just
You know,
steal
I should
uranium
probably be
like
back
that.
at my This is definitely a learning
So I'm
experience.
gonna need you
I
two
think
to
we gotta scramble
wait.
pretty soon.
Stop
a cup
cooking
of
it.
coffee is very likely
You
cold
give us
by
all
then.
radiation poisoning. Hey, Ellis, down here. Hey,
Damn,
Felix,
Barney,
Barney,
you're in key situations
you're in this
like
operation
this, you know.
too. It's Kleiner. He's lost his mind. Look, I'll tell you everything if you don't fire me. Now pull me up, quick. Okay,
Should
okay.
we start running?
Go stand on this
What if
table
this is
under me.
how I
I'll hoist you
die?
up.
I am this close to leaving.
The uranium's bubbling.
Well, Kleiner, I thought we turned the stove off a hot minute ago.
My God, I did. It's bubbling. It's worse. It's making noises. It's... Oh my God.
It sounds like that.
Holy shit! It's gonna explode! Barney, get your ass up here right now! What the hell? I'm trying. Kleiner, there's no point saving it. Get the hell over here.
Look, I think we should take shelter in
Thanks,
the center.
Otis. Oh shit. I almost forgot Kleiner. Kleiner, give me your hand.
Come on. Grab my other hand.
Kleiner, come
Let's
on.
get going.
We gotta get to my office quick. Everyone run for cover. The uranium's gonna explode any second. Find cover quickly or we'll all be killed.
Okay, I think I've had enough of this. Open the door.
Hey, come
We
on,
have got
move
to
it.
go. We have absolutely no time. Get on the
I
lift.
knew something bad was gonna happen.
Oh my God,
Everyone,
we're doomed!
You've got
Does your dorm have a television?
quickly, everyone.
God, you're here. Take me
It's
with you.
gonna
I'm
blow.
the one man who knows everything.
Worse than this.
I've got to get out of here.
Oh my God.
Like this? My luck has to change sooner or later.
I can't believe this. It's all my fault.
I did not pick a good day to wake up. Oh my God. This can't be happening.
Oh shit. Just open the door. Hide under the desk. It's our only chance. Oh God, my head is throbbing.
Kleiner, you okay? Is it safe? Come on, let's take a look.
Oh my God, what did we do?
Help me.
Extreme detonation detected in Sector D. All emergency personnel proceed immediately.
Oh my God. I can't believe we caused all this. It's destroyed. It's just, wow. Well, the damage control team will be here any second. What do we do now?
You owe me $10.
What?